हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज हम एक और क्वेश्चन सीखेंगे एडमिशन ऑफ न्यू पार्टनर का। हमारी अपडेट रेगुलरली पाने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें ताकि हमारे वीडियो आप तक रेगुलरली आते रहे। ओके, तो आज देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, एडमिशन ऑफ न्यू पार्टनर। ओके, Vidit and Vishal are the partners sharing profit and loss in 2:3. So here we have two partners, name is Vidit and Vishal. Vidit and Vishal. Vidit, Vishal. Next, they admitted a Bunty. That means new partner is Bunty. Now, first adjustment, Vidit will sacrifice 1/4 from his share and Vishal will sacrifice 1/8 from his share in a favor of Bunty. Here, Vidit will sacrifice 1/4. यहाँ हमको sacrifice दिया हुआ है. Vidit will sacrifice 1/4 and Vishal will sacrifice 1/8 in a favor of Bunty. ओके, तो ये दोनों को प्लस करेंगे तो क्या मिल जाएगा हमको? अ शेयर ऑफ Bunty. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट हियर अ शेयर ऑफ Bunty. 1/4 plus 1/8. So here 8, 1 8 is 8 plus 1 4 is 4 divided by 32. So we can write here 12/32. So we can write here 3/8. Is it? 4 3 ja 8 4 ja. So new share of Bunty is 3/2 and sacrifice should be 8:4. 8:4. That means 2:1. This is the sacrifice ratio. Okay. ये फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट है, इसका यूज इतना ही है कि इसके पे से हमको क्या मिलेगा? न्यू शेयर ऑफ Bunty as well as sacrifice ratio. Now we are moved to the next one. Bunty will bring 72,000 as capital. Bunty will bring means cash comes in. So first entry we are recording in cash account. What we write here? We write here Bunty's capital account. Amount is 72,000. Next effect, debit side, so credit side. What we write here? We write here cash account in Bunty's column. We write here 72,000. Is it? Now next, and his share of goodwill in cash. Bunty will bring his share of goodwill in cash. The share of Bunty is 3/8. In next adjustment, goodwill of a firm is valued 32,000. So total goodwill is 32,000. इसमें Bunty का शेयर कितना है? 3/8. So 32,000 into 3 divided by 8. So here a share of Bunty is 12,000. Okay, a share of Bunty is 12,000. So here goodwill, a share of goodwill in cash. Bunty will bring his share of goodwill in cash. So cash comes in. To where we are going to accord it? Here premium for goodwill. Amount is 12,000. That 12,000 we are distributed among the partner in which ratio? Sacrifice ratio. Okay. So here premium for goodwill 2:1. 12,000 we are distributed among the Vidit and Vishal in 2:1. So here amount should be 8,000 and 4,000. Okay. Now next, fourth adjustment is that Vidit and Vishal withdraw 50% of goodwill received by them in cash. जो गुडविल उसको मिली थी उसमें से 50% they can withdraw. विदित का गुणन कितनी मिली 8000, विशाल का गुणन कितनी मिली 4000. उसमें से 50% अमाउंट दे आर विड्रॉल. विड्रॉल मींस कैश गोes out. Which shall we are going to put it? Cash account, credit side. What we write here? Premium for goodwill. 50%. तो total goodwill 12,000. 12,000 में से 50% देंगे withdrawal. तो cash goes out. So we record it credit side of cash account. Next entry credit side. So debit side. What we write here? We write here premium for goodwill. 50% is 4,000 for Vidit and 2,000 for Vishal. Okay. Now next one is provision for depreciation on machinery is to be made 10%. Provision for depreciation on machinery. Machinery पे 10% depreciation count करना है. A value of machinery is given in your balance sheet. We write here machinery 30,000 minus reduce 10% is 3,000. So outer amount 27,000. Now a value is of machine is reduced. Value of machine is reduced, then it's a loss for us. Loss where we are going to record it revaluation account debit side. So here we write machine account. Amount is 3,000. Okay. Now next one is write off 3,600 as bad debt from debtors, and provision for bad debt reserve is to be maintained 15%. Here from debtors we are write off 3,600 as a bad debt. Look at the debtors. Balance sheet debtors is given 39,600. From that we are written off as a bad debt rupees 3,600. Okay. Now to remaining balance is 36,000. Bad debt मतलब this amount is now not recoverable from debtors. Means ये पैसे डूब गए. That means it's a loss for us. Loss कहाँ लिखेंगे? Debit side. We write here bad debt 3,600. Okay. Then next उसी में दिया है and provision for bad debt is to be made 15%. Provision for bad debt means bad debt reserve. Bad debt reserve कितना maintain करना है हमको 15%. So 36,000 into 15%. 36,000 into 15% means 5,400. Okay. So remaining balance is 30,600. Now here bad debt reserve second entry. Which side? Debit side of revaluation account. पर उससे पहले आप देखो बैलेंस शीट. In balance sheet, liability side, bad debt reserve is already given 1,800. मतलब total bad debt reserve is 5,400. Out of that, 1,800 is already given. So bad debt reserve is increased by only 3,600. Okay. So here we write only 3,600. Why? देखो total bad debt reserve we are going to maintain 5,400. Out of that 5,400, 1,800 is already given. So a value of bad debt reserve is increased only 3,600. So 3,600 we are going to record it in revaluation account. Okay. The next, a market value of investment is 9,000, which is to be recorded in a books. A market value of investment is 9,000. Look at the investment. Investment is given in your balance sheet 18,000. Balance sheet asset side, investment is given 18,000. In other side, investment reserve is there 7,200. So here we have net value of investment is 18,000 minus 7,200 means 10,800. Okay. So here we have an investment with a net value of 10,800. Now our market value of investment is 9,000. That means 1,800 are reduced. So minus reduce 1,800. So outer amount is 9,000. Now value of investment is reduced. So it's a loss for us. Loss where we are going to record it? Revaluation account, debit side. What we write here? Investment account. 1,800. Okay. Then next, claim of worker compensation is accepted 30,000. Okay, in balance sheet, worker compensation reserve is given 24,000. Now claim is 30,000. That means worker accident claim is increased by 6,000. Okay, so here worker compensation reserve is given 24,000. Now claim is 30,000. That means 30,000 हमको इन फ्यूचर चुकाने पड़ेंगे. उसमें से 24,000 हमारे पास था, मतलब 6,000 बढ़ा. मतलब पहले 24 चुकाना था, अब 30 चुकाना है. 6,000 ज्यादा चुकाना पड़ेगा. तो क्या हुआ? इसे लॉस फॉर अस. लॉस कहाँ लिखेंगे? डेबिट साइड. क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ? वर्कर एक्सीडेंट कंपनसेशन फंड. अमाउंट इज 6,000. Is it? Okay. Now next one is 10% of creditors are now not to be paid. Out of creditors, 10,000 is now not to be paid. अब चुकाने नहीं है. अब चुकाने नहीं है. That means it's a profit for us. वैकेंसी यहाँ आएगी और अब चुकाने नहीं है. मतलब क्या होगा? माइनस होगा. Look at creditors. Creditors is given in your balance sheet. Creditors is given in your balance sheet 30,000. Minus reduce 3,000. So here 27,000. Now 3,000 चुकाने नहीं है. So it's a profit for us. Profit where we are going to record it? Here. Creditors account. How much? 3,000. Okay. Here adjustment is almost finished. Now remaining entries. First entry capital. Capital we are recorded in capital account. What we write here? Balance brought forward. Within capital is 48,000. Vishal capital is 60,000. Is it? Next one is contingency reserve. कंटिन्यूस रिजर्व मतलब फ्यूचर में कुछ चीज चुकाने के लिए हम लोग अलग रखते हैं, अकस्मात के लिए. ओके, उसको बोलते हैं कंटिन्यूस रिजर्व. ये कंटिन्यूस रिजर्व वो भी हमारे लिए एक्यूरेट प्रॉफिट है. दैट कंटिन्यूस रिजर्व वी आर आल्सो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग द ओल्ड पार्ट एंड ओल्ड रेशियो. हियर ओल्ड रेशियो इज गिवन 2:3. तो हियर कंटिन्यूस रिजर्व अमाउंट 9,000 को 2:3 में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. तो कितना है यहाँ पे? 3,600 एंड 5,400. ओके, 9,000 को 2:3 में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. कितना है यहाँ पे? 3,600 एंड 5,400. देन वर्कर कंपनी रिजर्व फिनिश. इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएटेड फंड विल फिनिश. क्रेडिटर्स फिनिश. बेटर रिजर्व. Okay, then billing. There is no adjustment to record it as it is. Billing is given 66,000. Then machine finish. Stock no adjustment, means as it is. Amount is 18,000. Then data is finished. Bank balance we are recording in cash account or bank account. What we have here? Balance brought forward. Amount is given 8,400. The investment we already recorded. Okay. So sum is almost finished. Now we close the account. First of all, we close which account? Revaluation account. After that, we close capital account. After that, we close cash account, and after that, balance sheet. Okay. So first of all, is try to close revaluation account. Okay. So total is 3,000 plus 3,000 plus 3,000, 9,000, 10,000, 16,000, 17,000 total. 17,000 na? Okay. Here 17,000. Okay. 17,000. Now difference amount is 14,000.
18,000.
Total 18,000 na? Okay. 3 plus 3 plus 3 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 6 16 plus 2,000. Okay, 18,000. Sorry. Total is here 18,000. So here profit is 15,000. It is called divisible loss. This divisible loss we are distributing among the partner, old partner and old ratio. Partner's name is Vidit and Vishal. Ratio is given 2:3. Okay. So here amount should be 6,000 and 9,000. Second entry here, divisible loss. Amount is 6,000 and 9,000. Now total of capital account. First of all, credit side. For Bunty, it is called 72,000. For Vidit, it is 48 plus 8, 56. It is called 59,600. And here 64, 69,400. Okay. Now balance 59,600, 69,400 and 72,000. Here balance carry forward. Balance carry forward. 59,600 minus 10,000, that means 49,600. 69,400 minus 11,000 means 58,400. And here 72,000. Okay. कैपिटल कहाँ लिखेंगे हम लोग? बैलेंस शीट में लायबिलिटी साइड. कैपिटल Vidit, Vishal and Bunty. Vidit, it is called 49,600, 58,400 and 72,000. Now we close cash account or bank account. Total 92,400. Is it? Okay. Now balance 92,400. Out of that 6,000 we have withdrawn. That means balance amount is 86,400. What we write here? We write here balance carry forward. That balance we have transferred to the balance sheet asset side. Cash account 86,400. Now total of balance sheet must be same. I hope so. आज जो हमने सीखा वो आपको समझ में आया होगा. If you in doubt, आप जाइए कमेंट बॉक्स में टाइप करें. हम ट्राई करेंगे आपके डाउट को सॉल्व करने की. ओके. कल एक बार फिर से एक नए सम के साथ मिलेंगे. ओके. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ.